Are we ready?
Wait, let me have the Oh, Daddy's going to film it. That's better. Yeah.
Wow. Yummy.
It comes over a volcano.
Oh. What are those things? Rocks? I want to see.
Here it comes.
Oh. Doesn't look like real lava.
It is lava. Look at it coming out.
It's red only. It's not red. It's not cool. That's weird. Awesome. It's supposed to be coming out. I like the bubbles. You should. I told you should have put red food coloring in.
Well, next time we'll put the red food coloring.
Let's do it again. Okay, now it's done.
It can't be it.
You put only that much? That smells good, like salsa. Maybe.
Get down, get down, get down. Get off the table.
No, I'm not keeping away. I don't have to.